Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Volvo XC40 plug-in hybrid. First, identify the charging port, usually found on the front left fender. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off before you connect any charging cable. This prevents potential issues and ensures a safe charging process. We'll cover both Level 1 and Level 2 charging options to keep your XC40 ready for the road. Level 1 charging uses a standard 120-volt household outlet, similar to what you use for many appliances. It's the slowest option, typically taking 8 to 12 hours for a full charge. This method is perfect for overnight charging when you have plenty of time. Simply plug the provided charging cable into the wall and then into your car's charging port. For much faster charging, Level 2 is your best bet. This uses a 240-volt outlet, like those for large appliances or public charging stations. You can fully charge your XC40 in approximately 2 to 3 hours with Level 2. Many owners choose to install a dedicated home charging station for this speed and convenience, making daily charging effortless. To get the most out of your XC40 plug-in hybrid, charge it regularly. This helps maintain battery health and ensures you always have electric range available. You can easily monitor the charging status using your car's dashboard display or the Volvo On Call mobile app. Once charging is complete, simply disconnect the cable. Enjoy the efficiency and power of your hybrid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.